Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a little prank on Valerie, aka Proud Teen. I'm here with her sister Stephanie.
Hey.
As you can see, this is Valerie's dog named Bella, and the prank is that we are going to make Valerie think that her dog ran away or got lost. So right now Valerie is sleeping because she filmed a YouTube video late last night. So I have Bella here. We're gonna leave her with someone behind the camera, with Liz. Stay tuned for the prank. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and subscribe, and subscribe, and subscribe for more pranks too, right?
Yeah.
Hey Bella. Guys, so this is Bella.
Belle. Dude, Mom got mad because Belle pooped again by the tree. I'm sorry. That was too good. Yeah. What? The poop? So probably. I know, I'm sorry. And then she was buying all my socks too. But I can't find her right now. I don't know where she's at. I looked in Gabriel's room, I looked in my room, and I can't find her. I thought she was in here. She came in here too because I thought she was with you. Okay, well, I'll pick it up and Mom knows. Just tell her I'll pick it up. Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep looking for her because I can't find her.
¿Dónde está la perrita?
No sé.
Oh my god, dude, that's so mean. Oh my god.
I had to do it.
Oh, hell.
Dude.
I literally cried. You guys are so mean.
No, it didn't record.
I'm so sorry.
I told her that I couldn't find her and she got mad.
Well, I was sleeping and
Nah, you were like, nah, I don't. Like, you're like, you
Dude,
didn't care.
everyone called you.
And then I called you know who? I'm like, dude, your girl does not fucking care. Her dog's
Janae called
missing right
you,
now.
Liz called you, no one answered. You didn't answer anyway.
I mean,
Dude, when she saw the door open, like she started crying.
dude, we're like, dude.
where were you guys?
Oh, my car's over
We're like,
there.
your girlfriend does not care. Your dog's missing, and she's like, I know, I'm mad. She doesn't care.
¿Tú sabías también?
Everyone was in on it.
Should be mad at you?
No, my grandma and my mom, yeah, they were getting mad at me. They're like,
so
oh, ves, te dije, se va a enfermar. They thought you were gonna get sick just because of a little prank. I'm like,
Oh.
they're like, ves, que te dije, que te dije.